How to fix Instagram song problem easily and fast. Hello guys, in today's tutorial I'm gonna show you how to fix song problem easily and fast. First thing, open the settings on your phone and then go to the apps manager. After you open the apps, now on this page you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. So all what you wanna do here is wait a few seconds, it will start loading, and then scroll all the way until you find Instagram, or you can just search for it here in the search bar. Then click on this force stop and click on the data usage and make sure to enable all the network access options. Go back, click on storage, wait a few seconds and click on clear data, clear cache. Now you have to turn off your phone, turn it on again, and that's it. If the problem still didn't solve, then you have to remove Instagram from your phone and reinstall it again. Don't forget to like, subscribe.